So for this pattern, we'll be making some chains and single crochet. So those are the two stitches we need, and this is how the pattern looks like. Yeah, to the start, we'll start off with just slip knot and chain multiples of 2. So for a quick tutorial, I'm going to be chaining 14, 14. So once I have my 14, I'm going to chain extra 1 and turn my chain to the back and start inserting from the back loop of the chain instead of just inserting through one of the 2 loops in front. So that way it gives you a good finished edge. You see, so you can start working your regular single crochet for the pattern that will be for your first row. See how I'm picking the back. The back is just one. It looks like it's support for the 2 loops in front. So that is how you know you're in the right loop. Just pick it that way. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and we have few more stitches left to go. And this is the last stitch. So we're done with our chain our first row. So you might want to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for the second row, we're going to be inserting our hook into the first stitch, doing a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next one and insert and do a single crochet, chain 1, skip another stitch, go into the next one and do a single crochet, chain 1, skip another stitch, go into the next one and do a single crochet, chain 1, skip another stitch, go into the next one and do a single crochet. And that is how you want to do it till you're done with your pattern. Chain 1, skip another stitch. So you should have 1 remaining after this. So yes, you are going to work another single crochet. So at the beginning of each row, you're going to be starting off with the single crochet, and at the end of each row, you're going to be finishing off with 2 single crochet. And you see, so chain 1 and our third row, start off with a single crochet, then you want to chain 3. Now go into your chain 1 space, just as I'm showing you. So you want to go into your chain 1 space and insert a single crochet there. Now finish it off. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then go into your next chain 1 space and do a single crochet, chain 1, chain 3, into your chain 1 space and do a single crochet, chain 3, go into your next chain 1 space and do a single crochet, chain 3, go into your next chain 1 space and do a single crochet, chain 3, go into your next chain 1 space, do a single crochet. Now finish it off with a single crochet. Now you see when I said you're going to be finishing it off with 2 single crochet. So for our next row, that's our 4th row, do a chain, turn and do a single crochet in the first stitch, then chain 1, you're skipping that second single crochet, go into your chain 3 space and do a single crochet, chain 1, go into the chain 3 space, do a single crochet, chain 1, do a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 1, do a single crochet in your next chain 3 space, chain 1. So you just keep repeating till you're at the end of the row. Now, sorry, you're not going to chain 1 there, rather. Yes, so after you finish up with your last chain 3 space, then you want to go ahead into the last one there and do a single crochet. So that will be the formation of your height. So chain 1. So far, this is what we have. So for our next row, we'll be repeating row 3. So our consecutive rows will be a repeat of row 3 and row 4. So now you want to chain 3, go into your chain 1 space, and so chain 3, go into your chain 1 space and do a single crochet. So then single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, go into your chain 1 space, do a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, to your chain 1 space and do a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, go into your chain 1 space and do a single crochet, then finish off with your second single crochet as usual. Okay, so far this is what we have, and the mesh is this part is always going to look like this. So it's a two-way thing. If you want a straight edge, you have to definitely finish with the row 4. Yeah, that's chain 1, do a single crochet, chain 1, so that's what will give you the actual length of what you have in your foundation row. Chain 1, yeah, into your chain 3 space and do a single crochet. And you see, this teaches as easy as ABC if you do follow it. I actually created this pattern out of, I don't know, should I say boredom? So I really do not know the name I want to give to it. But before the end of this video, I should be able to come up with one name. Say, it looks like if you look at it very well, it looks like a granny stitch. Another look, it looks like a mesh. So I don't really know what to give it. Can you see? So chain 1, do a single crochet, chain 3. So this is a row 3 row. Okay, so I'm surprised. This is just really simple because you're going to be making use of chains and single crochet alone. Wow, wow, wow. And it looks this beautiful. I don't know what name to give to this stitch yet. Single crochet, chain 1 into your chain 3 space, 3 single crochet, chain 1 into your chain 3 space, 3 single crochet, chain 1, 3 single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, your next chain 3 space, chain 1, single crochet, your chain 3 space, then finish off with your single crochet. Yeah, so far this is what we have. So let's do one more row on. So let's just do one more row. Chain 1, chain 3, sorry, with your chain 1 space, 2 single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, your single crochet, chain 3, and your last single crochet, and finish off that row with a single crochet. Yep, exactly. One, then turn. So our single crochet, chain 1, 3 single crochet, your chain 3 space. Yeah, so for your, like I was explaining the other time, you have to finish with your chain 1 and single crochet row so that you have a finished effect, like you have a good finished effect. If not, if you decide to leave it that way, well, depends on what you want to use it to do. So for this is actually going to adjust the length of the mesh. Yeah, so and here we're done. So this is the result of what we've been doing since morning. So I'm sure if you are doing it alongside with me, this is what you're going to get. So this beautiful pattern. Yep, this beautiful pattern. Okay, so this is the bigger part of it, and see how lovely this is. Catch you on the next.